Hi, I'm Patrick from Ostego, here to talk about the lying side leg raise exercise. The lying side leg raise not only improves your overall bone health, but it also helps strengthen the muscles in your legs and your hips and your core. So it's a great exercise, not just for strength and locomotion, but also to help maintain your balance as you move around. Now, a quick safety reminder before we get started is to always maintain a nice neutral and straight spine while exercising. You never want to bend and you never want to twist. Now, also, we're going to be getting down onto the ground with this exercise, and I'd like you to keep your chin and eyes at a 90-degree angle to your spine. And what I mean by that is as you rotate forward at your hips, you can see that I'm keeping my spine at a nice flat and neutral position, but then I'm also keeping my chin and eyes at a 90-degree angle to my spine. So doing that as you move will help keep not only your spine, but also your neck in a nice neutral position as well. Now, to perform this exercise, we're going to be lying on our side. And first thing we need to do is to get down onto the ground. My preferred way is to put one foot in front of the other, and then to take both hands on top of the other, and then put them onto your knee. And then you can see as I'm rotating forward at my hip, I'm maintaining a nice neutral spine. Now, with my hands here, I can press against my knee and brace myself, and I'm simply going to rotate down onto one knee, which puts me on the floor. Now, if you would like to hold on to a chair or table as you're getting down onto the ground, by all means do so. Once you're here, you'd release your outside hand down onto the ground, and then the other onto the ground, and then simply bring your other foot back behind you. And just adjust yourself until you get into a tabletop position. And then you'll slowly push your legs back and finally lower yourself down onto the ground using a small push-up. Now with my backside arm, I'm going to straighten it and put it slightly underneath my body and rotate using my outside hand. Now as you can see, now I'm in a side position. Now, I'm going to rotate because this is on video. I need to scooch up just a little bit. And as you can do this, two quick reminders. Number one, I'm using a mat, but you can use carpet or any comfortable supportive floor location. And also, because we're on our side, we want to use a towel and we want to support our neck because we don't want to be doing either a strained neck or have our neck fall down to the ground. We want to help support our neck by keeping it in a neutral position as we exercise. Now with our arms, we're going to take our lower arm and simply wrap it around our torso because that will help support us and keep it in a neutral position as well. And with our outside arm, we can put it forward to create a tripod effect for balancing. Now for this position or for this exercise, you can bend your lower leg up into a V formation, and that also gives you the ability to push off with your knee and push off with your foot. And then you take your other leg, your leg, and simply leave it straight and down to the floor. Now to perform the exercise, you simply pull your leg up into the air, keeping it straight as you do, and you want to bring it up as far as you can, hopefully to about a 45-degree angle, but depending upon your flexibility, that may vary a little bit. So just bring it up as high as you can that's comfortable for you. Now, with most of our exercises, we'll perform this on a 4-count movement, and I'll show you an example of that. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's one repetition, and I'll also show you if you progress and you would like a little bit greater challenge, you can grab a dumbbell and put it on the outside of your thigh and use your hand to keep it in place. You don't want it moving around, but this would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, just a little bit extra challenge for you. Now, that's the exercise. That's one repetition, but I'd like to show you how to get up off the ground as well. So we're going to straighten our arm back down and pull it up against our body, straighten our legs, and then roll forward so that we're on our stomach. And then I'll pull my second hand back so that we're back into that push-up position. And then we reverse the order of everything going back up. So the first is a little push-up onto our knees, and then a movement of our body weight backwards, and then adjustments until we get into a nice tabletop position. And then I'm going to pull my hand in just a little bit so I have room to bring my outside foot up. And then I'll slowly take one hand, put it onto my knee, and then the second hand, and you can see we're back in that braced position. And with my arms, I'm going to push down on my knee while I push forward on my back leg. And that brings us back to the split leg position. Again, my back is in a straight position and my neck is at a 90-degree angle to my spine. And then we can simply rotate back up and we're back where we started. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please check out our website at ostego.com to see our easy to follow exercise classes that include a variety of exercises just like this one that are all focused on improving your bone health. Thanks, and we'll see you there.